Okay, I got all my flaps cut and cauterized so that they're not going to tear any further with my hot knife. And I'm ready to go ahead and do this. I've also gone ahead and put double sticky tape on all of my edges, as well as one small roll in the middle there. And plain and simply, I'm going to start pulling these around nice and tight and checking the back side to make sure that I eliminate as many of these wrinkles as I can. Let's see if I can do it while I got the camera here in one hand. And it's really not too bad. Again, until you rivet it, it's not going to be permanent. You only have tape holding it in place. And then same thing on this corner here is a little bit more difficult. This last flap here, it's just a matter of trial and error before you get it right. There we go. That looks pretty nice. See, no wrinkles, better than the first attempt. And I'll go ahead and burn my holes out and rivet it in place. And that'll be a finished product, other than cutting out for our hinges, which is exactly like we did on our flaps, ailerons, and horizontals.